best oils and extracts you can use with alum crystals. In the previous video, I talked about the benefits and the uses of alum. If you haven't yet watched that video, it will be linked in the description box below. But in today's video, we're going to cover 8 ingredients you can use with alum and combine with alum to maximize its benefits and to create an effective skincare and personal care products as well. And the first ingredient is lavender essential oil. Now, lavender has soothing and antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent addition to alum-based products. It can help to calm irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and it will also provide you with a pleasant aroma. The second ingredient is tea tree essential oil. It's known for its antiseptic and antibacterial properties, really enhances the antimicrobial efficiency of alum-based products, and it could also help to prevent acne breakouts, control odor, and promote general skin health as well. Our third ingredient is chamomile extract. It has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, making it really beneficial for sensitive and irritated skin. So when you add the chamomile extract to alum, this really helps to reduce the redness, the irritation, the inflammation that alum might cause to people who have sensitive and dry skin. The fourth ingredient is calendula, and here we're talking about an infused calendula oil that's going to be rich in antioxidants, rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, making it very suitable for anyone having sensitive or damaged skin that's scared of using alum because alum's really drying in that case. So the calendula really helps to balance the alum's drying properties, and it also helps to promote the wound healing, soothe irritated skin, and reduce redness and swelling, mostly associated with anyone having sensitive dry skin. 5 on the list is rosehip seed oil. That's got to be rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, really nourishing, very regenerative for the skin. It will help to improve the skin texture. It will reduce the scars and hyperpigmentation on the skin and also promote collagen production. For 6, we have jojoba oil that closely resembles the natural oils produced by your own skin, making it very compatible and moisturizing. It will also help to balance the oil production. So anyone out there that's using the alum that has oily skin, combine it with jojoba. It will really help to soothe dry and irritated skin, balance the oil production, and enhance the absorption of other ingredients. You have irritated skin. Number 7 on our list is aloe vera gel. It's hydrating, soothing, and contains anti-inflammatory properties, making it very helpful for various skin conditions as well. Adding aloe vera gel to alum, what that does is it really helps to moisturize the skin, reduces the inflammation, and promotes healing. Lastly is witch hazel. Witch hazel extract is a natural astringent with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. What that does is it helps to tighten the pores, reduce excess oil production, and soothe irritated skin when combined with alum crystals. So if you have oily skin, witch hazel and alum will work perfectly for you. Now please make sure you do a patch test before trying on any of these ingredients and monitor the skin for 24 hours to ensure that there is no irritation and that you are not allergic to any of these ingredients or alum. Start with small amounts of each of the ingredients and perform a patch test as we said, and also consult with a qualified herbalist or skincare professional for more personal recommendations based on your own specific needs. I'll see you in the next video.